Here is a fast, visual solution. We will compute the value of square root of 50 squared plus the quantity square root of 50, all squared. We will use two undoing rules that pair a square with a square root. Undoing rule 1. The square root of a squared equals the absolute value of a for non-negative inputs. Undoing rule 2. The quantity square root of a, all squared, equals a, again for non-negative a. Step 1. Identify each part of the sum. The first term is square root of 50 squared. The second term is the quantity square root of 50, all squared. Step 2. Simplify the first term using Rule 1. Square root of 50 squared equals absolute value of 50. Because 50 is positive, the absolute value of 50 equals 50. Step 3. Simplify the second term using Rule 2. The quantity square root of 50, all squared, equals 50. Step 4. Add the two simplified values. Square root of 50 squared plus the quantity square root of 50 squared equals 50 plus 50. That is 100. So the value is 100, with every step justified by the two undoing rules. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.